everyone, welcome back. Today we're doing a deep dive into F1 TV, the official streaming platform of Formula One. With access to live races, exclusive onboard cameras, and team radio, you'd think it's a dream for motorsport fans. But with thousands of complaints online, is F1 TV really worth it? Let's find out. On paper, F1 TV Pro gives you live races, full replays, onboard views, and even telemetry data, all with multi-language commentary and zero ads. There's also F1 TV Access, a cheaper plan with highlights, replays, and archive footage but no live content. It's available through browsers, mobile apps, Apple TV, and some smart TVs. Sounds great, right? Now let's talk reality. Trustpilot gives F1 TV just 1.4 stars with 81% of users rating it 1 star. Here's what people are saying. The most common complaint, buffering or crashing during live races. Not ideal when you only need the app to work 2 hours a week. Unhelpful slow replies that suggest restarting your device or checking your internet, even when it's clearly a platform issue for the customer support. Terrible sign-in experience, device compatibility, feature overload, or basic failures. Some say the app has gimmicky new features while still missing basic TV support or decent playback options. Not everyone hates it. A handful of fans say it's great value for money and love the extra access to race data and behind-the-scenes content. But even positive reviews come with caveats. So, is F1 TV really worth it? If you're a hardcore F1 fan, you'll enjoy the unique insights and camera angles when it works. But for casual viewers or those who expect a smooth, reliable streaming experience, it might leave you frustrated. With clunky tech, poor support, and limited device options, F1 TV feels more like a work in progress than a polished platform, especially for the price. Quick disclaimer, this review is based on personal research and user feedback as of 2025. And that's it for today's review. Have you tried F1 TV? Love it or hate it? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest tech breakdowns. See you in the next one.